What's up, car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into a ride that blends retro vibes with modern innovation, the all-new 2026 Buick Station Wagon. Now, before you think, station wagon means boring, let me stop you right there, because Buick has brought this classic body style back with a bold, luxurious, and performance-driven twist that might just make you rethink what a wagon can be. First off, let's talk design. The 2026 Buick Station Wagon is a stunner. Buick has infused it with sleek aerodynamic lines, a bold front grille with chrome accents, and LED matrix headlights that give it a futuristic yet classy vibe. The long, elegant body offers that nostalgic family hauler feel but with a modern, aggressive stance that turns heads. The rear design is equally captivating. Slim LED taillights, a sporty spoiler, and a subtle dual exhaust setup give it an unexpected performance edge. Inside, Buick has gone all out on comfort and tech. Step inside and you're greeted by premium leather seating, wooden brushed aluminum trim, and a panoramic sunroof that makes the cabin feel airy and open. The driver's cockpit is loaded with the latest tech, a 14-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital gauge cluster, and an advanced heads-up display. Buick's quiet tuning technology keeps the cabin whisper quiet, even at highway speeds, making long drives feel effortless. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Buick Station Wagon doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you get a turbocharged 3.0L V6 delivering 355 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive shifts. An all-wheel drive system is available, ensuring confident handling in any weather condition. Buick's adaptive suspension system offers 3 driving modes: Comfort, Sport, and Eco, so you can tailor the driving experience to your mood. Safety is another area where this wagon shines. It comes loaded with Buick's latest driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. For families, the spacious interior offers generous cargo space and second-row comfort, making it perfect for road trips, errands, or weekend adventures. What makes the 2026 Buick Station Wagon truly stand out is how it combines the practicality of a wagon with the luxury and performance of a premium sedan. It's not just a throwback, it's a modern interpretation of a classic formula, done with elegance and sophistication. Whether you're a fan of Buick's heritage or just someone looking for a unique alternative to SUVs, this wagon is bound to impress. So, is the 2026 Buick Station Wagon the ultimate family ride with style? I'd say it's definitely in the conversation. It's a perfect blend of versatility, luxury, and performance, something you don't often see in today's market. And honestly, it's refreshing to see Buick reviving this body style with such confidence. That's all for today's deep dive here at Car Trend. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Buick Station Wagon, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest reviews and automotive news. We've got more exciting rides coming your way, so buckle up, because the journey is just getting started.